In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment methods on Namecheap. Whether you're setting up a new payment option or updating an existing one, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and efficiently, ensuring a smooth experience. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Namecheap website. Once you're there, you'll want to look for the Account section. It's usually located in the upper right corner of your screen. Clicking on Account will open up the login page where you need to type in your username and password. This is an essential step to access your personal dashboard, so make sure your credentials are handy. Next, once you've entered your details correctly, you need to click on the button that says Sign in and Continue. Doing this will take you straight to your Namecheap dashboard. From here you'll find a variety of options, but our focus today is on managing payment methods. So let's proceed to the Profile option. You can easily locate this by scanning the menu and clicking on Profile, which will direct us to the settings we need. Once you're on your profile page, the next step is to click on Billing. This section is crucial as it houses all your current payment information and options. By entering this section, you're stepping into the core of managing how you handle transitions on Namecheap. Now within Billing, you'll find a section clearly labelled Checkout. Underneath this area, there's an Idiot option you need to click on. Accessing this will provide flexibility and control to update, switch, or modify your existing payment methods. You might consider reviewing the payment information you currently have and noting any changes you might need to make. From here, it's time to choose your default payment options. This step is important to ensure that your preferred method is always selected during transactions, simplifying the checkout process. Choose wisely whether it's a credit card, PayPal, or any other method you prefer for payments on Namecheap. After you've set your default payment options, the final and crucial step is to save your changes. Look for the Save Changes button and click it to confirm everything you've just updated. This action guarantees that all the modifications are stored securely in your account. It's always a good practice to double check and confirm that no details have been missed. And that's it, you've successfully managed your payment methods on Namecheap. Remember, keeping your payment methods updated and correctly configured can save you time and hassle during future transactions. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy managing.